I'm about to build the toe space for my bigger cabinet. So this is going to have a drawer in it, and this is what the cabinet's going to sit on basically. And so it's much shorter than what the cabinet is, so that you've got space for your feet to come under it. You just want everything nice and flush on that edge there. And 2 screws, 1 nail, 2 screws, put it all together. You may notice when I'm drilling that I'm only drilling halfway, pulling out and then going back in. And so that's because this will fill up otherwise. So watch this. Empty it and then go in again. So it works better if you do it like that. Got to get yourself an impact driver and a drill, essentially. This is my cabinet. It goes around this way. So this cabinet that I've just made goes like that. So it's really hard to see and it looks like the bench is floating. And then you can reach under right there and pull the drawer out. Cool. What you'll notice is that we've got the cabinets that go above here, and then I've got my toe kicks on top of those because I want to see them and see how they work, and so I just sit them on top. That's easier. This is what I've been told by a cabinet maker, by the way. And so you can see that I made this one far too small. I didn't account for the fact that it goes back into here. Right, I'm going to fix this one. Oh, right. Well, that did it. Wee trick for snapping these things off. Heaps easier to snap them off than it is to pull them out. Just roll it like that. Put a wee file. I'm cutting to when this thing's done. Right, that's done. As I've placed this here, it's clear that I did the dimension wrong, so I'm going to have to pull this box apart and then redo it again, and I've glued it this time, so I'm going to pull it apart really quickly. Oh, I hate making mistakes. Anyway, I'm going to fix this box, make it a little bit shorter. It was like 100mm out. It's always 100mm or 10mm, anyway. That's better.